Michelle and I just took a nice elevator ride up. We're in the Tower of History. Not sure how high up we are currently. Tower goes up 210 feet. But we're... Ah, jeez! Did I scare you when I did that? Oh. Yeah, looking out, there's an observation deck down below we can go check out. And when you see the views, like up here, the power plant there, the big one. There's a famous Sault Ste boat tour. And then the original Sault Ste boat tour is a little further down.
How many steps do you have to go up the upper level?
I'm not sure how far it goes up to get the rest of the way.
Okay,
Oh yeah, you can see here, the Canada side, the Bush Plane Museum. That's where we went yesterday. And then, yeah, there's the locks down there. You can see the rapids on the St. Mary's River. It's kind of where we were yesterday out on that island. Or the islands. Nice view. Downtown there. We were hoping to get to Alpha, because sometimes they have Zorba's food, but when Zorba's is closed, but both are closed today. Even though it's a holiday, a lot of places are open, but for some reason, a lot of places do the Sunday, Monday closing thing. So, see what we can see from higher up. And the observation deck here. Here we go. We made it to the top of the tower. It's only a couple little flights up from the elevator. Nice open air view. There's a ship coming in. I believe a Canadian ship, the Blair McKeel. Add that to our list of ships we're seeing this weekend, or that we've seen. There's the locks down there. Yeah, there's like the main building where the locks come in. Rebuild. That's where we went yesterday, right?
yeah.
So when we decided, like, I don't think I had it on video, but we decided not to go walking. That was like in that little inlet area.
Yeah.
It's kind of flooded out. But yeah, we went walking out on that island. That was fun. Real nice view up here. Here, look down. And making our way down, a little bit down the tower. I mean, like, we're just up there. But then, yeah, it's lower observation deck. A nice view here as well. Wow. The cars on the bridge coming into the United States. That's backed up. Better be waiting a while. Doesn't look like any traffic going in to Canada. Yeah, that McKeel. Ow. Put those there, I just bumped myself. Whoever put that there, thanks. McKeel's coming into the locks. around the corner real quick. Where are you going? Hi.
Don't scare me like that.
Did I get you? And then the rest of the view here. It's windy. The wind took my hat in that tunnel thing. I was sitting there and then down here. Wow. You guys are awesome. You're so cool. I swear, every woman in like the next 5-mile radius, their panties just fell off. You guys are so cool. Man. But yeah, nice view. Beautiful day. Sault Ste. Marie has been very good to us, both here and in Canada.